What's up, YouTube? My name's WesleyTrades, and welcome back to our trade recap videos. I know we haven't really done these in a while. Probably, I honestly do not remember the last time we did a weekly recap video, but starting today, we are going to do weekly recaps. In my opinion, I think it's a good idea to kind of freshen up from what we've been doing recently on the channel, which is the XFA days. Don't get me wrong, I'm going to continue that in the future, but right now we need to change things up. It's getting a little repetitive trading 2 XFAs for 50 days. So today I want to introduce to you guys my plan on how I'm going to scale and how I'm going to show you what I've done on the accounts. So let me show you guys what we're getting into here. So first things first, unfortunately, I blew one of the XFAs. Fuck, I know, so shitty. I blew one of the XFAs, whatever. We still have one of them, but we also have 2 evals, which we are going to pass. We're going to manifest passing these things. And one of them is a top step 100K. We already paid the activation fee, so it's a no activation fee account. I have that halfway passed. And a take profit trader 50K account, which is also halfway to being passed. I figured it's about time that I kind of start getting used to Tradeovate and the TradingView platform. So that is what I did with these accounts. So I'll show you guys kind of what I did today. We have not taken any trades on our take profit trader account. And I know my face cam's in the way, but our account balance is sitting at 1,470. I don't know if you guys watched my recent Instagram video, but that was that balance was up more like 54,000 because I just couldn't lose a trade. It was weird. I tried to get down, and I did get down for my consistency rule, but winning trades when you don't want to is a great problem to have. Anyway, so that's how this account's sitting, and I'm mainly trading gold with this account here, but this is how I'm planning to scale, and then in the future trading with a trade copier. Moving on, we have Top Step here. We are halfway past this thing, 100K account. 100K account. This is the trade that I took off a wick off CE this morning. We kind of chopped after we made our directional move early into the morning near 7:30, heading into macro, and then we chopped for a little bit. I saw we were kind of starting a downtrend, right? High time frame SMT, you see at the highs here, this bearish example. And then I tried something that I haven't really entered off of in a while, which is the wick of the candle, pardon me. If it's longer than 50% of the body of the candle, like here, let me get a good example. Let me delete all of this because this is so eyesore. I'm sorry. So what I did for this trade here, you see this wick on this candle after it took out what I thought to be a substantial amount of liquidity. So we see this wick come up. It closes past, sorry, let me turn the magnet on. It closes past 50%, which is this dotted line. It closes below the 50%, telling me that during this time frame, which is the 1 minute, we saw buyers enter the market and sellers reject the shit out of them, right? That's what I'm looking at. We come up, we wick into almost CE, and I entered after, of course, you guys know, I wait for a bearish candle close. I believe I entered down there somewhere. Had stops here. And then here for a 1.4, it was a 1.4 some trade. Risking 1,000 because this is a 100K account. And fuck evals, right? They suck. So we want to get past this thing in a proper high risk managed account / trades. So that's what my Top Step account is looking like here. You guys want to see the performance stats? These are the performance stats. And then at the end of this, I'm going to show you guys my trade zealous. So this is everything together, which is insane because we're on fire right now. These are my stats. to $1,500 days. So what I'm doing is targeting a 1-to-1 and trying to trail. This trade that I caught today was a 1-4, just because I didn't want to target anything more because we were in some chop. So these are the trades. Very nice. All right, we'll head on to Alpha Futures, which no longer has one XFA. Yeah, we only got the one guy here. The other one didn't make it because I low-key crashed out. Okay, but whatever. I needed to calm down after I got my payout, you guys. Okay, you know, I've seen your guys' comments. Okay, being like, don't get too much in your head. Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's a canon event, bro. Just let me do my thing. You know what I mean? Like, I obviously take your guys' comments into consideration. Always. I read every single comment. I hope you guys know. Thank you guys very much for your opinions. But I've been self-taught for 6 years now. And in my opinion, the best way to get better is to go through shitty situations and adapt. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've kind of found my foundation again in trading. We're kicking ass in these other accounts. Here, I'll show you my TradeZella, which is probably the craziest part of everything. Take a look at this. Okay, so I know some of these days, like this day looks, well, it doesn't just look, but $4,000. So 40 trades. So the day that you see 40 trades here, I promise I was trying to lose trades and I literally couldn't. I had a winning bug. I don't know what happened, but I seriously could not lose a trade. But other than that, these are some pretty healthy stats, you guys. We had the heavy pullback, but we just continue to scale. You guys, I want to take a payout every fucking week in 2 months from now. I want to quit my job. Like I want to make this so full time, and it's going to happen. If January, or pardon me, no, listen to this. I'm going to say this and leave this with you guys. If February didn't March, April, May. I'm going to leave you with that. Thank you guys very much. Make sure to use code WesleyTrades everywhere, every prop firm. Join the Discord. If you're in it, join it again. If you're not in it, join it even if you don't want to. I'll see you guys later. We're going to be doing more trade recaps like this. Talk to you guys later. Peace out, YouTube. Have a good one.